Ed is starting the new year by tackling one of the most difficult bits of the house, the huge window that will dominate the front of the building.
This has taken a long time making this window. So I do believe in getting attached to the materials we're working with. That's not quite as attached as we've had with this particular window. But it is a very important window. Probably the most complicated thing about the manufacture of this window. So it's quite a relief to get to the area.
Yes! Come here.
With only Silver to assist,
All right.